Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you are watching from. It's me once again, your fantastic Deba. I'm here. As you can see, I'm about to make my chicken thighs, roasted chicken thighs. You see that? It's already well washed and clean. My hand is already washed and clean. So I'll be introducing you guys to the ingredients that I'll be using on this roasted chicken thighs. Okay, so my first ingredients here is garlic powder, ginger powder, pepper flakes. I hope you guys can see. Sweet paprika, all-purpose seasoning. This one is a Arresto per Aprilia. This will take it to another level entirely. This is my mixed herb. This is my black pepper. This is my honey, as you can see. And this is my olive oil. So that is it. So here is a bowl that I'll be mixing everything in to marinate my chicken thighs. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be mixing that together. I hope you guys can see. Okay, my kids love this chicken thighs, roasted chicken thighs so much. We are going to be eating it with fried potato chips. Okay, my olive oil. I'll be using this one to grill my pan. It's heating up, so honey is in. Okay, guys, we continue to rub into it. Make sure they are all well coated, very well. Okay. Remember, my hand is well clean. And if you can as well remember, I did not put some, because all these spices, they are a lot of salt and I don't eat salt. At least that would be okay. Much of salt is not so good for your head as well. But if you are that type that likes salty food, you can as well add salt. That is it, guys. Okay, so I'll be popping in this inside my fridge for 2 to 3 hours before putting it in the oven. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, my chicken thighs has been marinating in the fridge for the past 3 hours, so it is time to place it in the oven. And my oven has been preheating. This is my pan, so I'll be greasing it with my oil. For it not to get sticky to my pan. You can as well use butter. Look at that, guys. Yummy. Okay. You see that? Beautiful it is. Okay. Just let that go in. Okay, so that is it, guys. See that? How beautiful it is, guys. Wow. So I'll be covering it in my oven for it not to get dry immediately. After 30 minutes, I will be bringing it back, then flipping it before we remove the foil paper. Okay. As I have said, I have placed my oven in 120 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, guys, it's over 30 minutes to see. So let's give a good close. Wow, do you see that, guys? You see that? It has released a lot of juices, so I'll be popping the juice in. See? So I can marinate in very well. This is the reason why I close it with my foil paper to enable me to put these juices on it later. Okay. So let's do this again. Okay. We'll be letting in again. Okay, so let's wait for another 30 minutes before we flip it over again. How crispy. So we just give it a flip. Look at how juicy it is. Wow, yummy. Do you see that, guys? Wow, wow, wow. Wow. This is gonna be delicious, super yummy and delicious. Okay, so we just go in again. See that, guys? Popping it again. See that, guys? Wow, skin is ready. Do you see that, guys? Wow, this is yummy. Let me show you guys closer. You see how crispy it is. So that is it, guys. I've put on my gas, so I'll be frying our potato. This is the potato I'll be using. Let me put on my fryer on. Okay guys, as you can see, my fried potato is ready. It's still remaining one batch, so we can start eating. See that? Crunchy. Okay guys, as you can see, my roasted chicken thighs is ready. Look at that guys, looking crispy, yummy and delicious. You can serve with your ketchup, your mayonnaise. It's ready to go. Your kids will love it, the family will love it as well. Please guys, if you watch to this extent, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share to your families and loved ones, and please be part of this family. We love you. Bye bye.